Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Alice Education. Friends, do you know today on which topic we are going to discuss? Well, you can be sure that I am not going to discuss about science today because I am not in my balcony garden. But I am in my room, so today I am going to discuss about English. To learn English properly, what do you have to learn first? Well, English grammar. So, in a previous video of English grammar, I have already discussed about the degree of comparison, part 1 and part 2. Those were positive degree and comparative degree. So, we have left part 3, that means superlative degree. So, today I am going to discuss about superlative degree. So, let's start that. See, superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, things or person. I am repeating again. Superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, things or persons. This means that superlative degree is used only when we need to compare two things. More than two things. That can be objects, things or persons. Okay, so this superlative degree have some special rules. So let's learn the rule today. See, rule, that is rule number A. Subject plus the plus adjective plus est. This means that first we have to take the subject plus the. Then we have to take adjective plus est. This is the rule of superlative number A. Rule number A. Now, let's move to some examples. See, example number 1. The rose is the finest of all flowers. I hope that you can notice, see, finest, E-S-T, finest, flower of all flowers. So, this is a superlative sentence. Okay, superlative sentence. Now, the second sentence, or you can say the second example. Rabindranath was the greatest poet in India. See here, greatest. T-E-S-T, E-S-T, see this particular E-S-T. This means the greatest poet in India. Not only great, not only greater, but greatest. Now, there are two rules of superlative degree. Let's move to rule number B. We have already learned about rule number A. So now rule number B. What is that? Subject plus the plus most or least plus adjective. So see, subject plus the plus most or least plus adjective. Only will use this rule if more than one syllable. Okay, like see this sentence of example here. Iron is the most useful of all metals. See this word useful. We can break it easily, right? Useful. Use and full. See, use and then full. Useful. But here, can we break great? Let's leave this est. Leave this est. Can I break great? Great. No, we can't break great. So it has only no syllable. But here we have more than one syllable. It is only one syllable. This great, and here we have more than one syllable. There is two syllables. See. Useful. So here that's why you used rule number B, that is subject plus the plus most or least. Here see the difference between rule number A and rule number B is that here we did that. See, here we added est, but here we added most or least. See, most or least and est. This is the difference. So what I said, if more than one syllable, then we will not use est. We will add most or least. Moving to the next example. Angela is the least clever of all girls. See here. Clever. Okay. This means that it had two syllables. And here least. That's why here he added most. Here he added least. Angela is the least clever of all girls. Now, we completed about superlative degree. What is superlative degree? And did examples. I will give you a revision of this again. the end. But now, let me move to some examples. So what are they? Example number 1. Tony Stark is the most intelligent among his teammates. Tony Stark is the most intelligent among his teammates. That means that he is he's the person, only one intelligent person in his teammates. There is no teammates who is more intelligent than Tony Stark. Okay? I hope that many of you see the cartoon Avengers Assemble. From there only I took this character Tony Stark. Okay? So moving to the next example, that is example number 2nd example. India is the best country. See here, India is the best country. And see, I hope, see here I have not added, here I have not took rule number A or rule number B. Took rule number A and I have not added this EST. See here, from where I have got the best. Best is the superlative degree. See, good, better, best. Good is the positive degree and better is the comparative degree. And best is superlative degree. So that's why I have used here best. India is the best country. Now, example number 3. The last example. Eva is the tallest member of our team. So, Eva is a girl who is the tallest member of our team. Okay? So, I hope that you understood this part. I am again repeating this part to give you a revision, a quick recap. So let's do this quick recap. Let's start it again. What is superlative degree? If someone asks you, what is superlative degree? You will say that superlative degree is used to compare more than two. Remember this word, more than two. Objects, things, or person. Got it? Now, the rules. Rules of superlative degree is very much important, friends. Rule number A. Subject plus D plus adjective plus EST. Subject plus D plus adjective plus EST. See here, the roses is the finest of all flower. Here, fine is the adjective and we added EST with it. EST, finest. Here, example number 2. Rabindranath was the greatest poet in India. See, great is the adjective here and we added EST with it. Got it? Now, rule number B. Subject plus D plus most or least plus adjective. And we will use it only if more than one syllable. See, iron is the most useful of all metals. Useful, 2 syllables. That's why used here most without adding EST to it. Now, 2. Angela is the least clever of all girls. See, least clever, clay and verb. So 2 syllables. That's why we added here least, most and least. Now, some examples. 1. Tony Stark is the most intelligent among his teammates. Intelligent among his teammates. Now, rule number 3. Rule number 3, rule number 3, that is example number 2. India is the best country. India is the best country. See, good, better, best. That is that good is positive, better is comparative and best is superlative. Now, example number 3. Eva is the tallest member of her team. So, here Eva is a girl and she is the tallest member of her team. Now, I have given the comparison of adjectives here. We have learned positive degree, we have learned comparative degree, and today we completed the superlative degrees. So I have given here a chart of those sentences I have made. See. Sentence number 1 of positive degree. Thor is not so tall as Hulk. So see, I am repeating again. Thor is not so tall as Hulk. This is the positive degree sentence. Now comparative degree. Number 1. Hulk is taller than Thor. See here. Here we say that Thor is not so tall as Hulk. This means that Hulk is taller than Thor. So see, that is used in comparative degree, that Hulk is taller than Thor. Now, superlative degree. Hulk is the tallest boy in his class. Whoa, see. Here, we were just comparing Thor and Hulk. In this positive and comparative, we are just comparing two persons, Thor and Hulk. But here on superlative degree, we are comparing his whole class. So, I think you understood this first sentence example that I have made. Now the next one. Very few metals are as valuable as gold. So the positive degree sentence, so I am repeating it again. Very few metals are as valuable as gold. As valuable as gold. Now, two comparative. Gold is more valuable than most of the metals. Right. So see, here also we said that very few metals are as valuable as gold. And here I am saying that gold is more valuable than most of the metals. On comparative degree, that is. Now moving to superlative. See, gold is one of the most valuable metals. See, gold is one of the most valuable metals. And here I have used the rule number 2. The rule number B. Valuable. We can break it, right? That's why I used most here. Now moving to the third example. You are as good as your mother. This means that you are as good as your mother. Now moving to the comparative degree sentence. See, your mother is not better than you. This means that, as I said in the positive degree, that you are as good as your mother. Now here I am saying that your mother is not better than you. Right? So you and your mother is same to same. You are not better than your mother and your mother is also not better than you. Now, superlative. Your father is the best among you. See, here on the positive degree and the comparative degree, we are just comparing two persons. That is you and your mother. You and your mother. But here on superlative degree, we compared your father also. So you, your father and your mother are being compared. And here, the result is that your father is the best among you. You both. Okay. So now, here is a question for you all. Practice this, okay? So see, I have just given here the superlative one. Clue for you. India is the best country. India is the best country. Now, you have to think what will be the positive degree and what will be the comparative degree. I thought that you understand this. And practice more question on this topic. And today we completed this, the degree of comparison. And if I give, in the next English grammar video, I will give another topic. So, bye friends. This much for today. And stay safe and healthy on your homes. Bye bye friends.